when we think about sort of what's going on today, I know when we were kind of going through this, this Venn diagram is probably something we could show 5 years ago, now, et cetera. The challenges are only getting, I think, more extreme. They're not necessarily new. We've been having regulatory issues that are really pushing towards reimbursement changes. Margin pressures have always been there, and staffing challenges have already always been there. But I think as we think about the environment today, I don't think these things are getting better. I think we think about them actually starting to even pinch a little bit more. So, Josh, I know when we started on this journey a few years ago and looking at how do we, come together as partners here, some of these things were big challenges. Tell me a little bit about what Hopkins is experiencing today.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we are not alone in this, as you've noted. I think across the country, there have been federal and other changes that have impacted really the bottom operating line when you're talking about how you're financing your technologies or other ways to supplement these other challenges, these staffing challenges, these margin pressures. And so I think one thing that we've done consistently or been asked to do consistently is really tackle what is the focus of this new initiative and what are the outcomes we're expecting to see. And where 3-5 years ago, maybe you could be a little loose with kind of your projections and sprinkle in a little hope there as part of that initiative. Now you have to have definitives, right? You have to know, are you going to increase your decrease your call handle time by a few seconds so that you can support more agents? Are you going to automate from start to finish calls so that you can have fewer people answering phone calls? So you've really seen a ramp up from, yeah, we think this is going to work, to we have to know it's going to work.